In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner that fits every device using Canva. Let's launch the Canva app. In the top search bar, search for YouTube banner. In the search results, you will get a lot of templates for a YouTube banner. But you should know that not every banner will fit on every device. As you can see on the display, YouTube has a specific area that it will show on a specific device. So we will create a banner of our own. Click on Create a Blank YouTube Banner. Now you have to check the size of your canvas. In the top right corner, click on File. In the drop-down menu, check the size to see if it is 2560 by 1440 pixels. If the size does not match, you can resize the canvas in the Resize tab. Now let's change the background color. In the top menu, click on this color icon. Select a color from the left side menu. Now we need to add some guidelines to ensure that our banner stays in the right shape. For this, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the pop-up menu, click on Show Rulers and Guides. Now we need to add 4 guides, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical to create a box. Let's add the vertical ones first. To add the vertical guides, bring your cursor to the left side ruler. When the cursor becomes a 2-sided arrow, drag it. Place the guide at 507 pixels. Just like before, add another vertical guide at 2053 pixels. Now let's add the horizontal guides. Drag one to 509 and another one to 932. It doesn't matter if you miss the guide by 1 or 2 points, it'll still be sufficient. Now you can see that a box has been created inside the guides I have added. This is the safe zone of our banner. All of your important elements must be inside this safe zone box. For starters, we can add our logo. Resize the logo inside the safe box. On the left side menu, you can add a text box and type your channel name. You can add a shape and add text inside the shape as well. You can add a notice or handle type of text inside the box. You can resize and reposition the shape according to your needs. Let's increase the cornering for this shape. If you want, you can change the shape color to make it look more appealing. After you are done, click on Share. In the drop-down menu, click on Download. Make sure that the file type is in PNG format and click on Download. Let's save the PNG. Close the Canva app. Now let's check if the banner stays in shape or not. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Open YouTube from here. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on YouTube Studio. In the left side menu, scroll down and click on Customization. In the Banner Image section, click on Change. Select the banner we just created. Here you can see that our banner is completely aligned with the sizes. Our banner will be visible on TV, desktop, and all devices. Following these steps, you can make a YouTube banner that fits every device using Canva.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.